Hunter, what are we doing?
I don't know, what do you want to do? Turn the fun button on?
Turn the fun button on. Don't hit Casey's car.
Oh, you think of it?
You can hit anything in the parking lot or in the fucking road but Casey's car. There's a big ass culvert right there. That's what we're doing. You'll find that curb here in a second.
I was already on that curb.
Alright, don't kill me.
You're not gonna.
Casey would be pissed.
You got life insurance?
Yeah.
Oh, then she wouldn't be pissed.
It's better if I die on the job though, and I took a snow day. There might be cops, there's been a few.
I have not seen one today.
I got behind like 6 of them when I went to fucking Walmart. What'd he do?
She decided to.
She found it. She found it, bud.
She found the wall.
She found it, bud. Just don't fucking kick shit in my face right here, bro.
I'll just stay away from you.
Yeah. That'd be cool. We're recording.